In the blink of an eye, the realm of technology and artificial intelligence has transformed from the realms of science fiction to the cornerstone of our everyday lives. As we stride into the future, one thing remains clear. The only constant in this ever-evolving landscape is innovation. And today we're here to talk about one such groundbreaking innovation that's set to redefine our interaction with technology: the AI pin by Humane. Imagine a device, a wearable no larger than a square pin, powered by a Snapdragon processor and controlled through voice commands, gestures, and even a small built-in projector. That's right, this is the AI pin. A marvel of modern technology that's designed to declutter interfaces and simplify technology, making it more accessible and user-friendly than ever before. But what exactly does it do? The AI pin's primary function is to connect to artificial intelligence models through a software called AI Mic. One of its core features is access to chatgpt, a sophisticated AI model. This means that with the AI pin, you can get voice-based messaging and calling, email summarization, and even nutritional information from food images, all at your fingertips. But that's not all. The AI pin also boasts real-time translation and LLM-powered search capabilities. Imagine the convenience of having a real-time translator or a powerful search engine right on your lapel. And did we mention? This device is not always recording and requires manual activation, ensuring your privacy is always respected. Now you might be wondering, what's next for the AI pin? Well, Humane has big plans. They're looking to add navigation and shopping capabilities, and even provide developers with tools to build their own applications. This is not just a device, it's the beginning of a larger project. A stepping stone towards a future where AI models and devices like the AI pin become an integral part of our daily lives. In a nutshell, the AI pin is a compact, sophisticated device that aims to make technology more intuitive and accessible. It's a testament to the power of AI and a glimpse into the future of how we interact with technology. And now, this future is here, as Humane officially launches the AI pin. This is not just a launch, it's a leap into the future. So, gear up and get ready to embrace the revolution. The future is here, and it's pinned to your collar. Subscribe to keep up with the latest AI news. Comment about what you think of this new technology.